What's up, IT Ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at creating a bootable USB media installer for ProxMox and running that installer on a server. But before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Just takes a second, it really helps out the channel. ProxMox Virtual Environment, or ProxMox V, is a powerful open source server virtualization platform. It allows you to take a single physical server and divide it into multiple virtual machines, and is comparable to solutions like VMware or Hyper-V. So let's get started. We'll begin by downloading Rufus. It's a free open source Windows utility to create bootable USB drives. Just go to rufus.ie and download the executable, and I'll make this link available in the description. Next, let's download the latest version of ProxMox VE at the vendor site proxmox.com/en/downloads. Just click download. Next, connect your USB drive and open the Rufus executable. For the device option, select the drive of the USB you wish to write. Here we have a 64 gigabyte drive. Under boot selection, keep the option disk or ISO image. Then select and navigate to your ProxMox ISO. If you see the ISO hybrid image detection message, you can click OK. Then press start and acknowledge the warning. Note all data and partitions on your USB drive will be destroyed. Click OK. This process will take some time depending on your resources. Once completed, connect your USB device to your server. We are using a SuperMicro server in this example. Power on your server, and you could use your console or IPMI to get the boot menu. Press F11 to get the boot selection options. Our USB drive is the generic flash disk, which we will select. Press Enter. And you can see we have successfully booted into the USB installation for ProxMox. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Check out some of our other videos for ProxMox or SuperMicro in the channel. Let me know if this guide was helpful in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.